Welcome to Buyer's Guide. The best Paw Print Kit is probably one of the most heartwarming and lasting ways to capture those precious, fleeting moments with your beloved furry family members, allowing you to create a tangible keepsake that you and your loved ones can cherish for a lifetime, preserving the unique imprint of their paws forever. Number 5. Pearhead Pet Photo Memory Box and Impression Kit. Create a lasting tribute to your beloved dog or cat. This keepsake box is designed to store collars, toys, tags, ashes, and other cherished mementos. Easily capture your pet's paw print with the included air-dry clay kit. No mixing, no baking, and no mess required for a perfect impression. Crafted from solid wood with an espresso finish, this elegant box blends seamlessly with your home decor. It's a timeless style to honor your furry family member. Showcase your favorite picture of your pet with the built-in 4x6 photo insert. This makes the memorial box a touching and customizable remembrance piece. This pet memorial keepsake box provides comfort and a special place to keep treasured memories safe. It's a thoughtful sympathy gift for grieving pet owners. What we like. This option offers a beautiful wooden urn design, perfect for those who want a more traditional and elegant way to remember their pet. It also includes a photo frame to showcase your favorite picture. If you are looking for a complete memorial piece that can store cherished items and display a photo, this is a wonderful choice. What people say. The kit includes everything you need to create a lasting keepsake of your pet's paw print. The clay is soft and easy to mold, making the process simple and enjoyable. The finished ornament is beautiful and a wonderful way to remember your furry friend. Number 4. Pearhead Pet Paw Print Ornament Kit. Create a beautiful and lasting tribute to your beloved dog or cat. This kit helps you preserve cherished memories with a personalized paw print ornament. This all-in-one DIY kit includes pet-safe air-dry clay, a shaping ring, rolling pin, and hole punch. We've included everything for a stress-free keepsake experience. The soft, non-toxic clay air dries naturally and is designed to be lightweight and crack-resistant. It's perfect for long-term display and handling. With 3 included ribbon styles, you can personalize how you hang or gift this special ornament. Display it year-round or keep it as a treasured memorial. Offer a thoughtful sympathy gift for pet loss or memorials. It's a wonderful way to celebrate the special bond between pet parents and their furry companions. What we like. This kit focuses on creating a hanging ornament, ideal for displaying on a tree or around the house. The inclusion of 3 different ribbon styles allows for personalized decoration. If you prefer a keepsake that can be easily displayed and want options for how it looks, this is the one for you. What people say. This is a great product for creating a lasting memory of your pet. The kit comes with everything you need to make a beautiful paw print ornament. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for beginners. Number 3. Ultimate Pawprint Keepsake Kit. Create a lasting memory of your beloved pet with our Ultimate Pawprint Keepsake Kit. It's everything you need to make a beautiful, personalized ornament. This kit provides enough soft, air-drying clay for 2 keepsakes. You'll also find a roller, cutter, hole punch, ribbons, and display stands. Make it uniquely yours with the bonus stencil kit. Add your pet's name, birthday, or special dates for a truly custom piece. Our non-toxic clay requires no mixing or baking. It air dries to a soft yet durable finish that won't crack, perfect for hanging. This makes a wonderful gift for any dog or cat owner. Celebrate their furry family member with a heartfelt, handmade keepsake. Design a special Christmas ornament that captures this moment in time. It's a delightful way to add a personal touch to your holiday decorations. What we like. This kit is fantastic because it allows you to make 2 keepsakes, perfect for multiple pets or for keeping one and gifting another. The bonus personalization tool with letters and numbers is a major highlight for custom messages. If you want the flexibility to create multiple personalized ornaments or share one with someone special, this is an excellent value. What people say. This is a great product for capturing your pet's paw print. The kit comes with everything you need to make a beautiful ornament. The instructions are clear and easy to follow. Number 2. Pet Paw Print Keepsake Kit and Wood Frame. Preserve the precious paw print of your beloved dog or cat. This kit helps you create a timeless keepsake to cherish. Make it uniquely yours with the included stencil kit. Add your pet's name and birthday to create a truly personalized display. Our premium wooden frame comes with everything you need. It includes pet-safe clay, a roller, stencils, and tape for your photos. The pet-safe, no-bake clay is easy to use. Just knead, roll, and press to get a perfect impression that air dries hard. This customizable frame and keepsake makes a wonderful gift for any pet lover. It's also a thoughtful memorial for a cherished friend. Honor your furry family member with this beautiful keepsake. It's a lasting tribute to the joy they bring into your life. What we like. This option combines a keepsake impression with a premium wooden picture frame, offering a complete memorial package. The free personalization tool lets you add your pet's name or dates with ease. If you're looking for a thoughtful, all-in-one gift for a pet lover or a comprehensive memorial for your own pet, this kit is a great pick. What people say. This is a great product for capturing your pet's paw print. The kit comes with everything you need, including clay, a rolling pin, and a frame. The paw print comes out clear and detailed. Number 1. Pet Memorial Keepsake Ornament Kit. Capture a lasting memory of your beloved pet with this special keepsake ornament kit. It's a beautiful way to honor their life and the joy they brought you. Inside, you'll find everything necessary to create a unique memorial. This includes modeling clay, tools for shaping, ribbons for decoration, and stands for display. Easily create a perfect paw print impression of your dog or cat. It's a comforting and thoughtful way to celebrate the special moments you shared. Looking for a heartfelt gift for a fellow pet lover? This kit allows them to create a personalized keepsake that will be treasured forever. Making this keepsake is a simple and enjoyable process. Just mold the clay, press the paw, and decorate. Instructions are included to guide you every step of the way. Make it truly unique by adding your pet's name or special dates using the included personalization stencil. It's a wonderful way to commemorate their life. What we like. This kit provides 2 display stands, making it easy to showcase your pet's paw print keepsake. It also includes a personalization stencil for adding names and dates. If you want a straightforward way to create a comforting memorial that can be displayed prominently, this kit offers a simple yet meaningful solution. What people say. This is a great product for capturing your pet's paw print. The kit comes with everything you need to make a beautiful ornament. It's easy to use and the paw print comes out clear and detailed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.